Hey friends, what's up? It's your girl Eve here and welcome to my new video. Okay, so the game plan for this video, I'm going to be unboxing the April Boxycharm by Ipsy. I'm not sure if they're going to stick with that name or they're just trying to transition everybody into both of these names coming together. But first, I'm going to be trying an energy drink, and this is why I want to try it. I'm in the process of packing everything up, not to mention filling out so many freaking applications to get into our house. We are renting. Does anybody else live in an HOA neighborhood? I don't know if mine is just a pain in the butt. I filled out about 9 or 10 applications and they make me scan everything. My dog's registration, vaccinations, my car registration. I'm telling you, I'm about to think that they're going to ask me to send my DNA sample next. It is just... So I'm going to try to record as many videos as I can, but that's why I need some energy to try to get through all these videos so I'm not just MIA for weeks at a time. Because I'm hoping within 2 weeks I will be back on here and things will go back to normal. But the perfect timing of Influencer sending me this. So this is Zion's Energy, and it's an energy drink, and all they asked for is, for my honest opinion, what I think about it, and I am a caffeine head. So I looked this up. It's about $3 a can, and I like it. I'm going to buy it off of Amazon, and they have, I believe it's a 12-pack for $24. And they sent me the strawberry lemonade, and it's supposed to give you energy and focus. Boy, do I need that today. But here's the can, and let's do a taste test. I mean, I drink coffee in the morning. I drink energy drinks throughout the day. That's the only way I could survive. So it is clear. As the bubbles go down, let me look. So it has 20 calories. It's actually pretty good. It's only got 280 milligrams of sodium. It has potassium, vitamin B3, vitamin B6, vitamin B12. So this looks pretty good. Hopefully it tastes good. It's not my favorite. You know what? I take that back. The first sip, it wasn't my favorite, but you can really taste the strawberry in it. So you definitely have to take more than one sip. So I'm going to be sipping on that and see how I feel. But let's go ahead and talk about the Boxy by Boxycharm. So this costs $28 each box. It comes with a little pamphlet this month, and it says, "Same great subscription you know and love, now with more perks than ever." The biggest thing I'm hoping with these two companies coming together is that we're going to get less repeats. It really irritates me when I get 2, 3, 4 things of the same exact item. The other thing I'm hoping, they better not put their refreshments line as choices on here. That will irritate me, or the ones that they pick for you. Oh no, that really burns my ass. But the first thing that I'm going to go through, the first 2 things they picked for me. So the first is the Dr. Braun, and this is going to make me burp all the time. It is carbonated. Excuse me. So this is the Dr. Braun, and this is the mineral mask, and this has a retail value of $44. Let's see what it says. It's going to help with congested pores, uneven texture, and excess oils, and these issues are not going to be your worst nightmare anymore. Let's go ahead and see what it is. I always like to find something to use at that time of the month because that's when I really break out. So it is a white gel with little blue spheres in it. So it's not a clay, which is interesting. So with it not being a clay, this may be really good for my dry skin. The second thing that they picked for me, is that just fell off the table, is by Biro. And this is the Biro Serum Oil, and this has a retail value of $65. Now, I tried this and I absolutely love it. It is extremely light. It makes my skin feel silky. I'm so happy. I mean, over here is where it's at right now, and it was filled to the top. It goes underneath my makeup. Amazing. I put it on when I go to sleep. I really like it. Now, would I pay $65 for it? No. I'm hoping it's going to be in the Ipsy sales. So I will definitely pick that up. And I would even spend up to $20, $30 on that. That's how amazing it is. All right, so the next items I chose. The first thing, and there's a lot of skincare in this. Usually that pisses me off, but with these names, I'm really happy about it. Okay, so the third thing is this Nage skincare, and this is the high impact vitamin C serum, and this has a retail value of $68. The reason why I picked it is I'm in the market for a cheaper vitamin C serum. I'm using one right now that is $110. It is expensive, but it works. I don't want to have to sit there and rebuy that. So I'm interested to see, because yes, $65 is still a good chunk of change, but it's a lot cheaper than the one I'm using. So I'm hoping I will like this. I did try it. I had no irritation, and I do have sensitive skin, and it has a very nice light citrus scent. Okay, an actual makeup product. So this is by Cosmetic, and it's a high def under eye color corrector in peachy, and this has a retail value of $18. Now, I tried this as well, and I absolutely love it. First off, I usually don't like peach things that I put on my face because I'm so fair skinned. When I put something on that's peachy, you can freaking see it underneath the makeup. I do not like it. It's not a pretty look. This is extremely a flattering peach, even on my fair skin. I have worn this alone underneath my eyes with my foundation on. It looked really nice, but how I like to use this, I put this on and then I use half of the amount of concealer. And with my aging eyes, it looks amazing. So really stoked about that. And I will 100% repurchase this. Okay, so the last item is going to be by Braun, and this is the Long Wear Cream Stick. And I picked bark. They did not send me bark. They sent me, where is it? Nude Beach. I'm going to get use out of it when I have when I go to work and I want a very simple makeup look. I'm going to throw this on with some eyeliner and just be done with it. But I really would have liked the bark that I picked. So you can probably barely see it. It is really light when you blend it out. It's pretty. Their cream shadows are amazing. And this has a retail value of $32. Now, I do something where it's called Beauty Boost, and it's an extra $15 added to the subscription. And the thing that I like that they started doing is that you get to pick your item. Now, I know some of you said last month you did not get to pick it. Make sure when the customizations open, you are first in line, because at this month I was able to do it again, and I'm really stoked with what I picked. So with only paying $15, I got the Verso Daily Facial Fluid with Retinol 8, and this is from Stockholm, and this has a retail value of $95. I really like it. It did not irritate my skin. It was really light. It's like a light gel moisturizer. It is not a fluid. When I put this on, I thought it was going to be like an essence or toner. It is not. It may be different in Stockholm. Maybe fluid means something different over there. Okay, video is not over yet. I'm going to take another sip of this. I really like that flavor. I don't know what was with that first sip. So the last thing I'm going to be showing you is my add-ons. They outdid themselves this month with add-ons. Usually it's not that hard to pick. I'm like, okay, this is all right. I'm going to stock up on my Tatcha and get this. I usually don't max out my add-ons. It was hard to pick They had such amazing choices. I like to pick the $3.50 things, and believe it or not, even that adds up. So the first thing I got is the thing I always pick up, and this is the Tatcha, the Dewy Skin Cream. Absolutely my favorite daytime moisturizer. The next thing I got is something I'm interested in trying. So this is by Benefit. I love their brow products, but I had never tried their skincare. And this is a foaming face wash. That is my love language for face washes. I like jelly and foaming. The texture on it, oh, I swear. And this stuff, on the other videos, I don't know if I can sip this. I'm going to down this after this video because I can't be burping on the side like that. That is really attractive. But interested in trying this. And the next item is going to be my favorite lipstick. When I saw this, I got 3 of them. Pat McGrath makes amazing lipsticks, and this is, I believe it's called the Matte Trace, and I got Divine Rose. That was the only shade available, and I picked up 3 of them. I'm telling you, this does not over dry out your lips. It doesn't go and transfer everywhere. Now, if you eat or drink, yes, it's going to come off, but you don't get butthole lip. And I'm running out of space. So it's over here. Really gorgeous. Next 2 items are by Kate Somerville. When I saw this, her skincare is freaking expensive. She's like, I think in LA, and she's the, what do you call that? I go to one and I can't think of it. The dermatologist or esthetician to the stars. This is not helping my focus, the energy drink, but maybe it has to take a minute to kick in. So I got the Retinol Vitamin C Moisturizer, and then I got the Total Repair Cream. The next 2 items are going to be by Living Proof. So I got the full thickening cream, and then I got the Restore Perfecting Spray. I got a mascara and I tried this. This transferred like hell on me. Now, I did wear it outside in the Florida weather, and maybe that's why, but I would not ever repurchase this. And this is the I Am Beautiful, and I liked the formula, I liked the wand, but it just transferred. It was really bad. It just ran down my face, and I kept wiping it off, and every single time I looked in the mirror, it was trailing down. Next item, the last add-on, is going to be by Makeup Forever, and it's the Aqua Resistant Graphic Pen. I really like this. I wore this outside as well to work, and this lasted all freaking day. Pouring sweat, my eyeliner did not go anywhere, so I am going to repurchase the full size. Now, the thing I like about this, you can take the top off and put it over here, because there are other travel size eyeliners, and with my big meaty hands, it's not easy to do your eyeliner when it's small. So I like that it just clicks on there. So I think that was really smart. All right, so that is everything in this video. The only thing we got to do is end it with fur baby time. So I'm going to be right back. Here is my little prince Bjorn to come say goodbye to you. We love you so much and look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye, guys.